Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will show you how we can download the ISO file of Windows 11. So let's get started. So the tool which I am using to download the ISO file of Windows 11 it's not from Microsoft, but it will download the ISO file from Microsoft only. Means the tool which I am using is a third-party tool, but it will download the ISO file from Microsoft website. So let's get started. So first let me open browser in my PC, and now we have to go to this website uupdump.net. I will also mention this link in the description. And here now we have to go to this fourth option, which is latest dev channel build, and here we have to click on 64-bit. Now here you can see cumulative update for Windows 11, so we have to click here, and again we have to click on next. Here you can choose your language. For me it will be English United States only, so I will click on next, and here you can select the version which you want for Windows. Like suppose I want only Windows 11 Pro, so I will unselect all this option. Or you want Windows Home along with Windows Pro, so you can also select this option. So once this is done, again click on next, and here now click on this button, create download package, and here make sure that you have selected second option only, which is download and convert to ISO. So here now I will click on this button, and here my download is started, and now I will go to my downloads folder, and here you can see that it has downloaded some zip file. So let me open this file. So after this, now I will go to this folder. So for Windows we have to run this last file. If you are using Mac OS, so you have to execute this file, which is uup download macOS.sh. and if you are using Linux, means if you are using Ubuntu or any other Linux operating system, so you have to execute this file. So in case of Windows, I will open this file, and here we can see that it is open in command prompt. So now the process is begun to download the ISO file. So let this process complete. So I will be back to you once our file is downloaded. So after a long time, finally my ISO file is downloaded, and I don't know why, but it took a lot of time to download that ISO file. So once the ISO file will download, you will find something like task completed or some similar message like this. So when that message is displaying, what you have to do, you have to just again come to this folder, and here you will see that along with all other files, you will also find the ISO file. So this is the file of Windows 11. So here you can see that if you will check the extension name of the file, so you will find it ISO. So this is the Windows 11 ISO file. So like this, you can download the Windows 11 image file from official Microsoft website. So by this you can download the image file of Windows 11 from Microsoft official website, and when I will open this file, you will see that it has all the Windows installation file. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can comment below, and please make sure to subscribe for more amazing videos like this.